tried explaining to your bank why you need to send money overseas at 3 a.m.? With crypto shopping, you don't have to. But before you start spending your digital assets, let's talk about what they don't tell you in crypto commercials. This is the second of 6 videos in our series. I'm Crypto Eva for MemeFi. Let's start with the good stuff. 5 massive advantages of shopping with crypto. First, true financial freedom. No bank permission needed, no suspicious activity flags. Last week I bought a laptop from Japan at midnight. Try doing that with a regular bank. Second, those sweet low fees. International wire transfer. Banks charge up to 5%. My crypto purchase, 0.1% fee. On a $1,000 purchase, that's $49 saved. Third, lightning speed. Bank transfers take days. My crypto payments, minutes. Bought concert tickets last minute using Ethereum, cleared before the seats were gone. Fourth, privacy when you need it. Not everything needs to be on your bank statement. Crypto lets you shop discreetly, but legally, of course. Fifth, global reach. Locked out of international shopping. Crypto doesn't care about borders. I've bought from stores in 12 countries this year alone. But now the reality check, 4 serious downsides. First, wild price swings. Your $100 shopping budget could become $80 in minutes. I once waited to buy a phone and the price in BTC changed 20% overnight. Second, no takebacks. Send crypto to the wrong address, it's gone forever. Double check everything. Third, zero customer service. Lost your keys? No help desk to call. My friend lost access to $5,000 in crypto because of one forgotten password. Fourth, security nightmares. Hackers love crypto shoppers, use hardware wallets, and never share private keys. In our next video, we'll explore where you can actually spend your crypto, starting with electronics and online services. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell to catch our next episode. Share in the comments. What's your biggest concern about shopping with crypto?